Hello Internet World, welcome to my first look at the Sony FE 24-70mm F2.8 GM2 lens. This is for Sony E-mount and it's a full frame lens. I'm very excited to show you what you get inside the box and also to give you a first look at the lens itself. Now, I purchased mine from Clifton Cameras. I use them for pretty much all of my videography and photography related requirements. They do a superb job on customer service and on packaging. Very good attention to detail, and I highly recommend them. If you want to check out Clifton Cameras, there's a link down in the video description area. So on with the first look at the lens. First of all, the box, really nice packaging for this. You do get some internal sort of bag inside here, which this is in. Just really nicely presented, and it's, as it says here, this is the SEL 24-70 GM2, so the G Master 2. So this is slightly smaller and lighter than the previous G Master. This version 2's got some refinements. Also, it mentions here it takes an 82mm filter on the front of the lens. Now, inside the box, we do get various paperwork. A lot of it is warranty information, and then we also get some operating instructions in various languages. We also get a strap for the bag here, the padded bag, and then we also get a lens hood as well. It's got this little opening door just here, and I believe this is so that you can gain access to circular polarizing filters, for example, so you can adjust your filters very, very easily without having to sort of try and get in sort of from this angle. So nice that that's on the side of the lens hood. And then a nice padded bag for the lens. Really nice indeed. So the lens will reside in here with the hood attached. We have got zips on either side, little loops for the shoulder strap, and just a very, very nice, good quality lens pouch. The lens is going to spend most of the time on the camera, so you don't have to worry too much about that bag or the pouch, but it is a really nice addition. And then this is the lens itself. We've got a couple of customizable buttons on here, which is really nice. They've got the G Master branding on there, or the badge. We've got an AF autofocus and MF manual focus switch. We've also got an iris lock just here. And then we've also got the marking here, which shows you is the FE 2.8 24-70 G Master 2. So it's got a constant 2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range. And then we've also got a really smooth focus ring. And then we've also got a really smooth zoom ring as well. And you'll see the lens does extend when you go through the zoom range. We've also got an aperture ring on the bottom here, so you can change this to automatic aperture and you can lock that in place, or you can set your aperture on the lens itself. So that's really nice to have. Moving around the lens, you'll see we've got a click switch here. So at the moment this aperture ring is clicked, so when you turn it, it clicks, but you can turn the click off and then it becomes smooth. And that's really important if you're using it for video work. There's also a smooth and tight switch just here, and that affects how the zoom ring actually functions. So it just makes that tighter on the zoom. The focus ring remains the same. And that is pretty much it for the lens. It is a really high quality piece of kit. Of course, we've got covers on the back and front. I'll show you the front glass as well. Nice big piece of glass there, 82mm filter thread as I mentioned earlier. This is a superb lens for both photography and video work as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do check out the links down in the video description if you want to purchase this lens for yourself. And also please do hit like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, including one where you'll see this lens in action.